Hello, this is the TradeSite U.S. Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Thursday, the 7th of November and Friday, the 8th of November, 2019. As usual, we don't typically do a market preview for Fridays by itself as most of the week has played out. This has been an exceptionally flat week, so there's probably not much to be said, unfortunately. We sit near highs, but haven't been doing anything since we kind of broke out over the cup and handle formation. Usually you'd expect a run out of that, and we've not gotten it. Here's the ES front month futures contract. This is the daily chart of the broad market in futures form. We'll go through the major daily charts, then we'll look at the intraday action. So crude oil was down to 56.34. Gold lost 80 cents. The S&P cash gained 2 points, 2.16. NASDAQ 100 was down 14.15. The stocks was down 14.48. Biotechs were down 36.99. The Russell 2000 lost 10. So some a little bit bigger negativity there than you see in the S&P. The VIX was actually down, though, down closing at 1262, down 48 cents. Remember, this is about as low as the VIX gets ever, right? The trend closes at 1.16. That puts the 10-day at 0.99. That's not useful. NASDAQ volume, because of some earnings and stuff, 2.3 billion shares. Advanced decline ratio in the NASDAQ was very negative. Worst we've seen in a month almost, negative 787 on the New York, negative 290. Google loses 43 cents, but it's very near highs. Apple up 11 cents, sitting at highs. But look how flat those 3 days are. That's this week so far. Netflix up 56 cents in the lower half of the year's range. Amazon down 5.94, basically dead in the middle of the year's range. Tesla up $9.36. Facebook loses $2.77. Goldman Sachs down 22 cents. TLT, the 20-year bond ETF, closed up 83 cents. The Dow Jones was down literally 0.07. It doesn't get any flatter than that. Let's take a look at the intraday action, 5-minute candles. And, actually, I'm just going to put this on 10-minute candles just so I can show you the week so far. Because what has happened, this was Friday's close way off to the left. So we gapped up Monday morning. And since then, we've basically just been this slow drift. But by the way, I mean, the entire drift is basically 20 points for the 3 days, which is just horrible for the S&P. I mean, we're just not moving. And look at how flat this is. I mean, it's just right where we were late Monday is where we closed on Wednesday. We just have not gotten anywhere. The scans don't turn up much, so there's really not too much to be found. We do have a couple calls in the report. We'll call the rest from the tape. In terms of economic data left this week, Thursday morning, an hour before the bell, the initial and continuing jobless claims numbers. An hour into the market, natty gas. At 1 p.m., we have a 30-year bond auction. At 3, we have consumer credit. On Friday, we've got a couple of Fed members speaking. We've got preliminary University of Michigan sentiment at 10, along with final wholesale inventories. And that is it. That will wrap up the week. Charts, as usual, brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple weeks, and then we'll talk to you again for the weekend update. Have a great Thursday and